Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a quick overview video of how to do the alternator on the Buick Rendezvous. I saw some videos out there, and one said you had to take the arm off of the wiper blades, and I thought that would probably be difficult, and I found a better way to do it to where you can actually get your hands on the back alternator bolts. So this is just an overview. Check out some other videos for more detailed stuff, but if you have any mechanical inclination, this should get you through it without a problem. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so here we are, we're looking at the Buick Rendezvous. I did go ahead and lift the mounts up, and then I just kind of hooked my little ratchet strap up here, ratcheted it over to the tree, just so I could kind of pull it up a little bit. And then what I did was, and I saw another guy, he did this, he took the wiper tank out, but his video is like 20 minutes, so this is going to be a much quicker video. I'm going to show you the mounting holes on this guy. So this will sit in your car like so. And so first you're going to take the battery out, and you're also going to take that bar. There's a bar, it sits from here, it's a 13 millimeter there, and then two 13s here. So you're going to take that out. You're also going to take your junction box loose here. There's a 10 millimeter sitting right here, and then there was a plug right here. I unplugged that, and this wiring harness was like bracketed up, so just pop that out, and then take your battery out. For that, you just have like a little 13 millimeter mounting guy, and he is right there at the end of my finger. So just take that out, then pull your battery up and out, and then there's 3 mounting holes on this washer tank. So remember, it's going to be sitting inside of your car like this. So there's one mounting hole here, there's one mounting hole here, and then there's one in the bottom. So on the car, you're going to find the mounting holes. Let's see, I believe it's here, and where you see my finger, no, I'm sorry, it's hard to see, right there. And then you can see my finger over here. So then you're just going to work that guy up out of here, and then your arm, you can fit all the way back here to where your alternator would be. So, and you can work the ratchet for both this one and this one right here with your left hand. So, and you don't have to take this bolt all the way out, just loosen it, and then the alternator will flip forward and then slide out, and it'll come right through here. And then you never have to take this wiper blade arm off, which can be quite a bit of an issue going to put it back on. Your wiper blades can go uneven and stuff. So as far as the belt tensioner, you can see the belt tensioner is right here, and it's just a 3/8 drive goes in there. So as for the alternator, let's see, you just have a 13 millimeter nut holding the wire on right there, and then this wire connector, you know, it's just you pull the little tab up and pull that wire connector off. So it's a little bit of a job. If you're just like a weekend warrior, I'd say maybe set aside 4 hours to do this. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And one little bit I almost forgot to mention, I also just took, it's a 15 millimeter bolt right here, just this idler pulley. So just take him off out the way there, and you won't have any issues. It's not hard or anything, taking the alternator from here and just sliding them right through there. So that's it.